Hey folks, welcome to Module 12. I should introduce you to my cat since he's kind of moving around here and getting settled. I'm going to pick him up. Oh, this is my cat, Punger Bun. Say hi to everybody. Yeah, there we go. Okay, now, Module 12 is really simple. You are writing your rough draft art review. And like with the Seth Stevenson review that we're looking at in our discussion topic, the main thing that you're aiming for is a judgment, a criteria upon which you can render your judgment. And the way that the Slate magazine works is they actually give grades. So as you'll see, Stevenson actually grades those iPod ads, which you probably remember from some years ago. He gives them a B minus. So they get very nuanced, very fine grained in terms of their reviews, and they give their reasons why. So the review that we're looking at in our discussion topic is a really good one for you to check out as you think about how are you going to evaluate and render your own judgment upon the work of art that you are reviewing. That's what it's about. Give it your best shot. And um, it can be helpful to sit down and write out as a kind of skeleton. Why do I like this art? What are the reasons I think that it's good? What is my criteria? So that you've got that right up front as you deliver your verdict on the art and have fun. That's really the main point. If you have fun with writing, your readers are going to have fun too. Okay, good luck. I look forward to seeing what you all generate.